What did Nana get you? What does Jake say? And he has boots? And a sword? What does he... Can you say... Emmy, are you happy? Hi. Hi, Emmy. I think Emmy likes Jake too.
Emmy likes Jake too.
Yeah.
I can't find it.
Okay, want me to show you where? Okay, let me see him.
Whenever we solve a pirate problem, they'll appear.
You got him right there. Can you find it? Try right here. Right.
Then we'll collect them and put them in our team treasure chest.
He has a team treasure chest? Right here.
Wait, hey! I think I see some gold doubloons.
I don't see it.
It's just right here. Ready? Press.
Let's grab them and go.
It's not a button. You just press it. No, just press with your fingers. Go. Right here. Ready?
I got my sword.
You did it.
I did it.